Brothers Motors, guys, real quick. Y'all see this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, guys, this happened to be owned by one of the smartest customers I've ever spoken to, okay? Now, y'all get a load of this. Y'all see this transmission pan. This is a 2018, I want to say, Jeep Grand Cherokee equipped with the 8 HP transmission, guys. Y'all see this pan? Y'all see this right here? This is a filter. It's integrated into the pan. You can't get it separately. So, yeah, we're getting ready to replace the filter as well as the fluid. I would call this, or some would call this, a transmission service, okay? Not a flush, not a drain and refill, simply because the filter is getting replaced. Make sure if you're doing your own DIY, make sure you're using correct fluid. Mopar 8-9 speed transmission. Now, here's why I call this customer smart, simply because she got like 60,000 and some change miles, right? Now, here's the deal. Her powertrain warranty expire at 60,000 miles. So get this, guys, technically she's on her own as far as her transmission goes. If something happened to her transmission right now, today, she's gonna be out of pocket to get it fixed. Now, what does that say? Okay, now think about this for a second. A lot of the car makers will tell you that that transmission don't need to be touched, okay? Feel for life, never needs service, okay? Now, to the car makers, to the car makers, to their credit, all right, I won't say they got away with, but the transmission is responsible, guys. They got away with the fact that did nothing happen to the trans within those 60 miles, okay? That's what they don't want you to do. Tamper with the transmission, change it. They don't want you to do anything simply because it doesn't need anything in that time frame. So basically, don't touch it now. Fast forward to today. You're at 60,000 miles. You're on your own. The smartest thing you can do, and I'm talking to everybody that own a vehicle that's equipped with an 8 HP transmission. The smartest thing you can do is to service your transmission at 60,000 miles. Okay? The reason you shouldn't service it before is simply because it's not due before. And what a coincidence. The warranty run from birth to 60,000 miles. The car maker is out of the loop now. Jeep, whoever sold this, Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, FCA, they out of the loop. The powertrain is over, okay? So it's in your best interest, guys, to get your transmission service. Get a load of this to help extend the life of the transmission. This transmission could go a whole lot. I'm talking 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles maybe, simply by going in and replacing this filter, because the filter will get clogged up with debris that's actually normal debris from a torque converter that's wearing over time. So I want to make sure I hit home with this, guys. If you're at 60,000 miles and your powertrain warranty is out, man, it's in your best interest to try to help prolong the life of your transmission by simply servicing this. I commend this customer, okay? I commend you, whoever. Hey, I commend this customer. This was the smartest thing, smartest investment. Now, it's not cheap, guys. This fluid is quite expensive. This pan is quite expensive. But you can give yourself a peace of mind knowing you don't have to get rid of your vehicle just because your powertrain warranty is out. From this point on, take care of your car because you're on your own. When we talking oil changes, make sure you're using the correct oil. This says 0W20, fully synthetic. Change the oil on time, a new filter, all of that. Take care of your vehicles and it will last. Now, she have no extended warranty, okay? She have no extended powertrain warranty, so technically she's on her own, and I'm here to help her. So I just became her personal mechanic. So guys, I got work to do. Let me let this up. We're gonna take this pan off and simply chunk it because it's trash. It's not needed anymore. As far as refilling, remember, this is based off temperature, okay? So you refill this back up till it comes out of the drain plug, then you let it in the air, run it, get it up to the recommended temperature, and then you fill it up the rest of the way. All right, we'll go over a little of that.